Hello guys, I hope y'all are having an awesome day. So today is going to be a wig day for me. I haven't did me any wigs in a long time. So I saw this hair in a beauty supply store. This right here, you guys see it? It is a 22, 20, and 18. And it has a 4x4 hand-tied closure. And it's synthetic hair, but it's body wave. Okay, so what I was most impressed, y'all see that? That's a full closure. Normally they have just a little bit with a part, so I'm like, cool. I would like to get this. And the cost of this was $35. So $35. So I'm like, okay, we're gonna make it do what it do. So I never took it out of the pack or touched the hair at all. So I'm gonna see how soft it is now. The bundles. This the 18-inch bundles. And what color is this? What color is it? I'm not for sure. But that's the 18-inch bundle. This one is the 20-inch bundle. And then the last one is the 22, and it's a body wave. Body wave. And it is synthetic hair, guys. But hey, I'm like, let me try to see what it do. And it's packaged real nice. So now I'm just got to get the closure off without ripping it. And then I'll feel the closure and let y'all know the texture of the hair. And it's heat safe. So a lot of times when you're getting stuff, I love the fact that it be heat safe. So we're going to see. It's a really nice, soft, like yucky texture. It don't feel like the plastic synthetic. So overall, look at this closure. And it's a long closure at that. And you see the parting. I am truly impressed for $34. So now all I have to do is make the decision on what cap I want to do. If I do it on this cap, I'm going to have to buy another pack because I'm going to have to ventilate the sides. So if I do it on the regular little dome, where are you at? It's somewhere around here. If I do it on the regular dome cap, y'all know I don't have to do anything. So this is a 21-inch mannequin head. So instead of me using my canvas head, this is the same size as my head. It's 21 inches. So I'm going to use this today when I go back and forth, and I'm going to use the sewing machine method. So let me make a decision on whether I'm going to use this cap or the other cap, and I'll come back. But you guys got to try this out. It was in my local beauty supply store. I'm going to load this video, and I'll see you guys soon.